You have to have grit. You have to be a little hardcore. That means you have to step out of your comfort zone and do something that's a little hard, because you're not gonna wake up one day and your dream, your passion isn't gonna be like, hello, I'm right here. And I hate that question so much. I hate it so much. Is becoming a pilot hard? It's almost like I have this really awesome young individual that's excited about aviation, yet they're standing right in front of me and trying to figure out, should I be a pilot or should I not? If she says it's hard, I'm not gonna do it. Don't let the end goal paralyze you. We often get so scared of that thing that we really, really want. What if I fail? But what if failure was part of the process? What if failure was mandatory? Because you know what failure means? Failure means growth, because you know what will stop you from getting to your dreams? It's inaction. Click that autopilot off. Take hold and navigate your passion. Don't let the headwinds scare you, and lean into the turbulence, okay? Don't ration passion, guys. Get out there. Woo!